There is a proposal to distribute $1,250 checks. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to our show where we discuss what is happening in our country. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Yes, it's true. There is a proposal to distribute $1,250 checks. Let's look at the screen. All right, guys, as you can see here, stimulus checks will checks for $1,250 be distributed. This came out today, May 3rd. There is a proposal to distribute $1,250 checks. The amount you're eligible for will be based on age and number of dependents. Thousands to get gas stimulus cards worth up to $150 and public transit cards too. So who could get the check? The proposal would benefit parents in the United States. Utah Senator Mitt Romney proposed the Family Secure Act. The act claims to diminish child poverty. Most parents would be provided with a $350 monthly payment for each kid under 6 and $250 for each child older than that up to 17 years old. The maximum benefit per family will be $1,250. All families that are single filers under $200,000 and joint filers under $400,000 will be eligible for the benefit. If you earn more than the limit, you will get $50 less for every $1,000 above the threshold. There is a catch to it. You must work, volunteer, or train for at least 80 hours a month in order to receive the benefit. There have been studies to show that this proposal could make substantial differences in poverty. Guys, this is actually really cool. They're trying to get people to get out there, be more involved in the community, and actually do some more work to get these proposals, these $1,250 checks. But let me know, guys, if it balances out. Should you have to do the 80 hours a month in order to get the check? I feel like with inflation at where it's at, we should be sending these checks out regardless if you put the 80 hours in. Here's why. The cost of living is just skyrocketing. They can't expect us to live on what we used to live in today's light. In today, we can't. Gas prices is high. You can't go to the grocery store without spending a couple $100s. And literally, they expect us to live. What's going on with the Biden administration? If you're frustrated, then smash that like button like this guy is smashing his computer. Seriously, I feel like at this point, Bernie Sanders would have been amazing at this job, doing a whole lot more than Joe Biden himself. Now, again, Joe Biden has some time to get things in order. Him and the Democrats got to get their things together to try to push and promise, right? Fulfill the promises that they've given us as he was elected. So we're hoping for that. So many people on this channel were like, you know what? Take Joe Biden out and put President Trump in. If you are for Trump 2024, then smash that like button and let us know all about it. So we also want to tell you guys about the states that are still giving out stimulus. The whole objective is to support families that face the efforts of inflation as price increases. So in order to help families cope with the problems presented by the economy in the face of cost of rise of living, inflation and prices of goods, this is literally a basic service that the state government should launch their own stimulus checks or related benefits for taxpayers. Literally, the initiative also provides for tax rebates, gas rebates, and more. The point is that during the pandemic, the federal government allocated billions of dollars to the states, and to some extent, there's a pool of money that hasn't been used. Therefore, each entity will support the population different. So the following are some of the support strategies that will be implemented in some states. They're literally talking about giving eligible educators may be able to deduct $300 out of pocket classroom expenses May this year to file when they do their tax returns. But California, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Maine, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. They are offering things, guys, to help in this time of need. They're doing the best that they can with the billions of dollars that was given to all these states. Let us know which state you live in, and we'll do the research to figure out what they're doing in your state. And let us know what video you guys want to see. Guys, we're here for you. We want to do the best to bring you guys the most up-to-date information. So remember, they propose to distribute $1,250 checks, and it could be yours. All right, guys, I hope that this information helped. We want to do our part on this channel to make sure that you guys get the help that you need. We know that anything helps, so we want to make sure to give you an opportunity to win a free $50 Visa gift card, and all you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card, and that's it. You're entered in to win. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. This Friday, we're doing a huge giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys continue to have a happy Tuesday, and until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.